Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sam. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, I am doing a Ulta haul, guys. I love Ulta, shop there all the time, and I feel like ever since quarantine, I haven't been able to pick up some things, so I actually ran by the store about a week ago, and I picked out a lot of new items that I need or that I've been wanting to try. So if you're interested in this Ulta haul, please keep watching. Before we get into the video, guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel down below and go ahead and click the bell icon right there to be notified when I drop videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, let's get into the video. Here is the bag of goodies from Ulta. I have quite a few things. I took out some skincare items that I have been using and testing out that I'm going to review for you all. So stay tuned there, so I don't want to share that yet. But I did go ahead and pick up some really great cosmetic items that I want to go ahead and share with you guys. So let's start with the first item. So I have been dying to try the new ColorPop Pretty Fresh, collection. This is their hyaluronic acid tinted moisturizer, a line that I think they released in the past couple of weeks, at least to what I know and what's new to me. And they also released a hyaluronic acid creamy concealer. So I'm really excited about these. I picked up the shade medium 12W and medium 100W in the concealer. So I'm hoping these match. I'm not really a tinted moisturizer kind of girl, though I will say that I'm either all or nothing. I'm either full coverage queen or I'm barefaced, no makeup, no nothing. So this will be interesting for me. If it has good coverage, I'm excited to see how it looks. As long as it looks lightweight, healthy, and even evens out my skin tone and it's really easy to use, I'm definitely open and receptive, so I'm really excited to try these out. The next two items I picked up were from Juvia's Glaze. I love this brand. I don't have that many things from them, but their eyeshadow palettes are amazing. Now, I know they released this I Am Magic foundation and concealer quite a bit ago, and I am late to the party, but I've been in the market for a new foundation. I feel like I've been using the same 6 for the longest, and of course I want to try more black-owned brands, and I tried to buy as much black-owned brands that I can actually possibly buy. When I see them in store, I definitely try to pick something up, or female-owned on top of that. So I'm really excited to try these out in the foundation. I actually got the color Tangier 520, I'm probably saying that wrong. And in the concealer, I have Magic Concealer number 17. Now, I've heard a lot of things about this foundation. It's supposed to be extremely full coverage, and I have heard that it is really hard to pick your shade. So hopefully the color 520 works out for me. I will let you guys know. I'm going to do a video on this, my first impressions, so stay tuned for that. So Essence Beauty is a really affordable brand that is sold at Ulta, and I wanted to pick up a couple things. First thing being this Essence water palette. Now I feel like the past year they have actually released palettes that I have seen a lot of people talk about. I think this is actually a new one they just released. It's part of a collection of about 4 or 5, if I'm not mistaken. This is the water eyeshadow palette. And look at this, it's beautiful. It's very cool tone, very blue. Now, I don't own a lot of cool tone or shadows like this. Yes, I am wearing blue shadows today for the first time in like a year. I just wanted to do something fun, a little bit different. I noticed that blue does look really pretty on me, and it matched my denim shirt. And I only actually really have like 3 shades of blue. 1 from a Violet Boss palette, and then 2 from the Shein palette that I did a video on a couple days ago. I'm going to link that palette down for you guys if you want to check it out yourself. The blue shade is like the only shade that worked in that palette. So yes, I really wanted to pick this up. It's really beautiful. The colors are absolutely gorgeous, cool toned, and I have not swatched it yet, so I'm intrigued to see how well this performs. It does have 1 gold shade, but this palette does look really promising, and it was probably like $5, so really cheap. The rest of the Essence items, so I went ahead and I really just want to try and do almost like a full face with this brand, and I'm going to do a video, so stay tuned for that, guys. So the lady at Ulta, I don't remember her name, she recommended that I use the Essence Lash Princess False Effect mascara. I'm a huge fan of the Catrice mascara, but my Ulta no longer sells them for whatever reason, I'm not sure, and I basically have no more left. So I want to go ahead and give this a shot. I also went ahead and picked up their Sun Club Luminous Bronzing Powder. This I was really excited about. I love a good bronzer. It appears to be actually a matte bronzer, which is good. I do have some bronzers that have some shimmer, but the shade is kind of, I guess, cool. Not too cool, not too warm. It's like a really good bronzing shade. So I'm excited to try this, and you get so much. You get 0.52 ounces, which is almost 1 full ounce, which is amazing. Now the next thing I wanted to try was the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. I love banana powder. I love Sacha Buttercup. I love the Jeffree Star powder. And this is a brighten up powder in a compact form, kind of like the KKW, I'm assuming, or like the Makeup Revolution. This one seems a little bit light, but I do love a bright under eye, so maybe if I'm wearing concealer that's not as bright, this will definitely brighten me up. So I am excited about trying this one. Okay, I'm really excited about this blush. I feel like blush gets slept on a lot of the time, and now I have like 3 or 4 blushes, maybe 5. But this one is like a very mauve toned blush that I was really excited about. It was really affordable, and I feel like you can't actually go wrong with blush. I feel like I haven't ran into like a bad blush because you use such a little amount of it. But this was a very mauvey, very different tone blush that I have right now. I have very pinky, peachy blushes, and this is completely different, so I'm excited to try them out. The next thing I picked up was this Essence Liquid Ink. Now, I am an eyeliner snob when it comes to eyeliner, and I love the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I love the Morphe felt tip liner. So I wanted to try this because I'm running low on liner, and this was really affordable, and the girl at Ulta actually recommended this also, and it looks quite promising. It does actually have a brush applicator, and that was a thing that actually drew me to this, because my first eyeliner that I loved was from NYC Cosmetics, which is no longer a brand. It's completely discontinued, I believe, and they had this really nice eyeliner that actually had a brush tip. Haven't been able to find an eyeliner with an actual brush tip since then, so I went ahead and picked this up because it has that brush tip. It's really tiny, but it was a really good price, and eyeliner tends to last me like months on end, maybe 6 to 8 months. So I'm excited to try this. It looks very promising. Stay tuned with you guys, where I basically do a full face trying Essence Beauty out, because I haven't really actually worn much from the brand. So I really want to dive in and test out some of the cool products that they have. Oh, last thing from Essence was this You Better Work Gym Proof Fixing Spray. It's sweat resistant and anti-shine, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. I have hyperhidrosis, so I tend to sweat, and I live in Georgia, and it is hot as ever here in the summertime, and there's nothing worse than doing a beat face and you're sweating and then you blah and then your makeup is absolutely ruined. So this does claim to be gym proof, where you sweat, and it does say it is sweat resistant. So I'm really excited about trying this and testing it out to see if they're actually telling the truth, because they're talking about anti-shine and your girl gets shiny. Essence Beauty, this is their Essence Camouflage Plus Matte Concealer. It says waterproof. Now, this was really affordable, but what really drew me in was the matte and the waterproof, and it says it's tattoo covering. Meaning, this is supposed to be such full coverage that I need 1 layer basically. So I'm gonna test this guys out, and I'm gonna hold them to their claims. But this seems really exciting, and Essence is stepping up their game because they have a lot of products. Now I will say they need to add some foundation. I don't know if they do have foundation already, but my Ulta doesn't sell it. And if they do, I'm sure the color range is not that good. I'm just gonna say that right now, because I can put money on it that they're not having a 30, 40 plus foundation shade range. Most brands don't. So if they do, prove me wrong, that's fine. If they don't, I'm gonna go ahead and search up and see if they have foundation, if they do, what they're working with in terms of color selection, because I need to do better at that. But I basically have everything for full face except foundation. So I'm going to be on the hunt for that to show you guys. So I went ahead and picked up more items from ColorPop. This is the Limpy Pencil in the shade Oh Snap. And I love ColorPop lipsticks. I love their eyeshadows. I love a lot of things that they have. For some reason, I've never bought a actual lip liner from them. So this is the lip liner. It is really, 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 really pretty. It's like a very mauve-y toned brown, and I think this is a great staple. And I went ahead and also picked up their Brow Boss eyebrow pencil in the shade Brunette. I love this pencil. I need a new one. This is a go-to for me, and it's only like $5. Listen guys, I didn't realize I picked up a lipstick from Essence Beauty also, so they have a lot to choose from. This is the color Legendary from their This Is Nude collection. And this lipstick is gorgeous. It's like a nice, perfect brownie nude that would go perfectly with that actual lip liner from ColorPop actually. So I'm stoked and really, really, really excited about it. And I picked up a couple things from Makeup Revolution. So the first thing I picked up was this Revolution Makeup London Chilled with Cannabis Sativa Shadow Palette. So I'm assuming it's made with some of, you know, cannabis and stuff like that, or it's just themed. But I was really sold based off the packaging. And wow guys, wow, this palette is gorgeous. And let me be careful not to press anything. Look how beautiful this palette is. I'm glad I went ahead and picked this up because I actually do not have a palette with any of these colors. All my palettes are basically browns and nudes and burgundies, something of the same sort with a little pops of color here and there. And I've been really trying to venture out, get different things, because why not, right? Why not try different eyeshadow brands? And I'm obsessed with it, and I'm glad I picked it up. I have not tried it yet, but I'm going to test it out and tell you guys. And the coolest thing about that was for spending, I think, $15, I got a free palette from them. This is called the Brave Spirit palette. This is actually a really pretty, really, really pretty palette. Really bold, really colorful, and if it's free, it has my name on it all the way. So this is a yes for me. Last but not least, guys, well actually one more thing, is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. This is in the shade Banana. I've heard about this product for probably a couple years now. It's not new. I'm just late to the party. I haven't picked it up. I'm in the market for a new setting powder. This is convenient, it's affordable, and it looks really promising, and I know a lot of people really love it, and they say it's a dupe for some other high-end brand. I can't remember the name or what brand exactly, but it looks really nice, really promising, so I'm going to test it out and share with you guys if love this or not. The item I got was, of course, a newbie. My birthday was in April, and of course they were closed because of the virus. So I went ahead and picked up my free gift late, and they have some really, really, really good free gifts. I feel like, dare I say, almost a little better than Sephora, I feel like, in terms of options. Maybe I'm lying, maybe I'm not, I don't know, but as of right now, I feel like this year their gift was a little bit better in terms of options. This is by Dermalogica. This is the Brightening Vitamin C Duo. Now, if you're not sure about Dermalogica, they're a very nice high-end skincare company. Everyone loves them. They have amazing, amazing products, but they are expensive. And why spend the coin if you don't have to, right? So, therefore, this was a free item. I'm picking it up. I love eye serums. So this is an eye serum and a Biolumin C serum, which one is for the face, one is for the eye. So I'm really excited to try these. And it was free, and I'm gonna make these last for a long time, and if I love it, I'll pick it up, of course. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my haul. I really enjoy doing hauls. Comment down below what you guys also want to possibly see from me in the future, my next couple videos, any ideas of what you guys actually like. I would love to do it. Or let me know any black-owned brands that I'm unaware of that I can start shopping and support, because I'm definitely all about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. I know you're watching it. Please subscribe to my channel. I really, really appreciate. We're at 1K. Thank you so much for the support. And I'll see you guys next time. You have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.